Today we are going to review for the surface area and volume test. Our first example is a rectangular prism. I've already divided into top and bottom, sides, and front and back. So as you can see, the top and bottom, we have a 5 by 2 times 2 because top and bottom are the same, and that equals 20. And I like to circle it. Then we have our sides. We have two sides, and it's 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. And then we have our front and back, which is 5 by 3 by 2, which is 30. And then we're going to add those together to give us 62 feet squared. Because we're finding surface area, it's in square units. Let's try another one. Find the surface area of this square-based pyramid. The bottom is a square, so as you can see I divided up the base is a square, and we're going to multiply 1 times 1, which is 1. Then we have 4 triangles which are on the sides. So 1/2 times the base, which is 1, times the height of the triangle, which is 2, times 4 triangles. That equals 4. So we add up the two sides and we get 5 inches squared. Okay, here we have a triangular base pyramid, and the base is a triangle. So I did 1/2 times 11 times 9.5, and that equals 52 25/100ths. Then we have 3 sides which are triangles. So that's 1/2 times 11 times 15 times 3 for the 3 lateral faces. And that equals 247 5/10. So now we're going to add these two together, and we will get 299 75/100ths meters squared. This example, we're going to find the surface area of the cylinder. I laid out the net where it's made of 2 circle bases and the lateral surface. And I put the formula down. 2 times pi times radius squared represents the circles, and the lateral surface is pi times diameter times height. So now let's plug in the numbers. 2 times, I'm going to use 3.14 for pi, times 2 squared, and that equals 25 12/100ths, plus pi, use 3.14 times 4 times 3, because 4 is the diameter. When we do that, we get 37.68. Now we're going to add the two together, and we're going to get 62 8/10 centimeters squared. Okay, the next one is asking for the volume of the triangular prism. So volume equals the big B times H. The big B stands for the area of the base. A triangular prism has triangle bases. Remember, the bases are the 2 parallel sides, so they are triangles. So how do you find the area of a triangle? 1/2 times base times height. Now we have the height of the prism, which is times 9. When we do all that, we should get 324 inches cubed. This time it's cubed because we're talking about volume. How many little cubes can fit inside? The last example, we have a rectangular pyramid, and we want to find the volume. A pyramid is a third, so volume equals 1/3 big B times H. The big B in this example is a rectangle. So we're going to have 1/3 times 8 times 3 times the height, which is 6. So that will be 48 meters cubed. I hope this helps for your test. Good luck.